Hello Internet, this is Yuke, and I want to talk to you about my new project. A couple of years ago I made this on the top right corner of the screen. It's a game called Them Zombies, and it turned into some kind of adventure-ish puzzle game of sorts, where each tile gives you a resource or an upgrade or food or something like that, and the tombstone creates zombies, and the level is, or like the goal is to destroy the tombstone, and then you complete the level. And it just got harder and harder because they spawn even more, and the zombies gets even harder after a while. And second screen, this is basically what it looks like when you waited a couple of minutes and they are invading the whole level of sorts. And when a zombie is standing on a tile, you can't activate it because and it doesn't recharge because you'll have to wait for each tile to recharge, and they don't do that while the zombie is standing there. This concept that I made a couple of years ago was based upon an idea that you can make an adventure game in one dimension, and I wanted to expand this. So a couple of years later I made a project called Necken. It looks more like this, more adventure and more forest and more Swedish folklore, and I got quite far with the project, but I got bored and I realized that I need more time to complete this game. And the game kind of evolved into a bit more adventurous thing. So this is what the this is a screenshot from the level editor, and this is what the level, like a typical level, looks like. So you have to activate a tile, a bridge tile, to get to the second layer, and then you have to activate the next bridge to come to the third layer, and so on. And then you can activate them again to walk backwards or upwards. And I really like this concept, but I paused the game and created End of Rope this summer, and now that I'm a full-time indie game developer, I kind of wanted to restart the whole Necken project. So the old Necken game, or the old Necken project, will be renamed into something other than just Necken, and instead I will try to go back to the original concept from Them Zombies, and that game will also be called Necken. So I'm trying to figure out how to solve this in a good way, because it's not a big game, so there's not a lot of attention that I have to address, but I have created some content called from a project called Necken, and that will be renamed into probably something like Necken Adventures or something, and that will later hopefully be the second game in the series. So I will continue pausing the Necken project, the Adventures Necken project that I worked on last year, and instead start a new project called, again, Necken, because I want to expand the whole series, and I want to expand the world, because I think that a world that is based upon Swedish folklore or Nordic folklore, set in a Swedish forest during, I don't know, 17 or 1800s or something, could be quite fun, and could have a lot of potential. So the plan here is to create a video series about the new Necken project, and I want to start by just telling you guys what I'm trying to build here, and I'm not really sure about the format either. Like one alternative is to create short bits and put them together and release them as a weekly devlog or something, or just make it like once a week without bits and pieces. I'm not sure how to do this, how I want to do this, because I haven't really done this before. So that is basically the plan, and I thought that, well, why not show my progress and my thoughts and progression. Hopefully that made sense. But just share this project in its development, and hopefully someone will enjoy it. So the first thing that I'm going to do then is to just start the project, and that will be kind of boring, I guess. I wanted to do this on screen, so that I get started like right away. So I'll just create a new project, and why, come on, there we go. Let's call this new Necken, just for starters, and it's a 2D game, and bam, there we go. So I think that's all for now, actually, and next time I'll show you some progress and some design and some just basic thoughts about what I'm trying to build here. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.